Welcome back to my channel, guys. Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is gonna prepare some shrimp today, guys. It's a coconut curry shrimp I'm doing today. So I got my shrimp here marinated already. I only got some Old Bay and this, a tablespoon of Old Bay, and this is 2 packs of shrimp I use, 2 small packs of shrimp. So tablespoon of Old Bay, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, guys, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice I got on here, and a little bit of fish spice. I had about a half a teaspoon of fish spice on there, and I'm just gonna saute these shrimp right here. And I got some red peppers and green peppers, some scallion, fresh garlic, and thyme, carrots cut up right here, guys. We're gonna get it going. Alright, so we're gonna start the shrimp first and then set it aside. So as I get my shrimp down going right now. So this coconut curry shrimp, guys, it's gonna lit. Alright, you can use this as a Valentine's dish if you like. I'm gonna serve it up with some nice mashed potatoes, garlic mash. So just got some olive oil in my pan right here, guys, cooking off these shrimp. So we're gonna set those aside. They are looking beautiful, guys. I also have some shrimp stock right there. I make a little bit of stock from the shells. I wash the shrimp with some fresh lemon juice. Make a nice stock out of it. We're going to use that in the coconut curry sauce. You guys stay tuned. I'm just going to remove these shrimp from the pot right now and start my veggies. Set them aside. So right now we're going to get all my veggies inside the pot right here. I remove all the shrimp. Start sauteing all these veggies here. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of butter to that, guys. I got some Scotch bonnet pepper cut up inside of these veggies here. Smells so good. You guys can see all the beautiful color in the pot right there. Right now, guys, I'm just gonna add a teaspoon and a half of curry to this veggies right here, and I'm just gonna cook off the curry a bit. And this curry, I don't need to cook it off too long. It's the Beta Pack curry. It's pretty light, not too overpowering. So just cook it out for a few minutes with your veggies. And guys, I'm just going to add some shrimp stock to this pot right now. Smell lovely. Beautiful. Guys, right now I'm just gonna add my coconut milk to this. Let everything come to a boil. Smells amazing, guys. Beautiful. So guys, it's time to add the shrimp right to the sauce right here. Beautiful. Smells so good in here, guys. The kitchen is lit. Flavor is up, guys. Wow. I'm hungry. Wow. It's looking amazing, guys, and smell great. So guys, this is done right now. I'm just gonna shut it off, and I'm gonna plate this with some mashed potatoes, some roasted tomatoes, spinach and corn. As I said, you can use this as a great Valentine's dinner, guys. Simple and easy. So guys, this is the finished product right here. I'm just adding some spinach and corn to this plate right here, guys. Looking beautiful. Guys, I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing the videos, guys, and I guess I'll catch you in the next video. Sprinkle a little bit of parsley, and that's it. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.